Hi everyone, it's Shooter Rex here. So right now, I'm at the Fireline Shooting and Training Center here in Appleton, Wisconsin, and you may consider this as an unboxing video of this Glock 19 Gen 4. You may remember in some of my early videos that I used to own a Glock 17. We have three 15-round magazines that's included with this handgun, and it also comes with a Glock speed loader. It also comes with a beaver tail backstrap and two different sizes of regular backstrap. We also have the orange gun lock, and this one also has the brush. Then the rest are just pamphlets or paperwork from Glocks, serving some reminders of safety of using a firearm. And now we're just gonna clean up the gun for a little bit and add a little bit of oil just to lubricate the slide, because it felt like a little dry as I was trying to rack the slide. I'm gonna put a little bit as well on the barrel. Now we're just gonna test it out. We're gonna put 10 rounds on each of the magazines, and we're just gonna get a feel of how this Glock 19 would shoot and get a feel for the grip, because it's been a while since I've shot a Glock pistol. Also, the purpose of this is for me to test out where I should have the grip angle, but also to figure out where the sight alignment is at. And the third magazine is just to get a feel for maybe doing some double taps or triple and a rapid fire. So we're gonna test it right now. Here's the first 100 rounds for this Glock 19. First 10 rounds at 15 feet. First 10 rounds at 15 feet. Glock 19 R1, 10 rounds at 10 rounds at here's the moment that I've been waiting for. The very purpose why I decided to get a Glock 19 is so that I could also use this micro conversion kit from CAA. CAA gear, their product started with what they call the micro Roni. But now, this one that I got is one of their newest products, which is just called the MCK, or micro conversion kit. And as you can see, this is the limited edition because it has the USA Patriot Cerakote finish. So right now I'm pressing this button so I can open up this cover latch, and that way I can slide this Glock 19 and insert it, making sure that the side rear serration is lined up with the charging handle. Once you have that lined up, you will be able to hear a click, and you have to push forward the pistol itself. After you hear the click, you'll be able to put the cover back and then lock it forward. It's best to test the charging handle before you actually fire your MCK. Adjusting the sight for the feet. Most of the shots were shooting low, and then was able to raise it up. We're gonna try it at 50 feet.
Okay, yeah, they're right in there. So now,
At 30 feet. Now target 40 feet. So there you have it, the first 100 rounds of the CAA micro conversion kit with the Glock 19 Gen 4. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or this is your first time to see my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.